Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to change the Word page orientation. Here is a sample of Word page which is in portrait mode by default. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. So let's do it. I remember even 10 years ago I did it from the ruler. Just double click on it, which is the easiest way. It's available in every version of MS Word document. And someone prefers to do it by layout, it's also easy. And in some version of Word, it's available here in Page Setup. And if you're interested in shortcuts, you can do it without mouse. Just hold the Alt key and press P and then press O. And select it just using down or up arrow keys. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!